Today we're focusing on how to dominate search terms by effectively targeting ASINs. This strategy is crucial for Amazon sellers who want to maximize their visibility and sales. Let's break down how to create a halo effect around your product by targeting the right ASINs and optimizing your bids. In Amazon PPC, 80% of your sales typically come from 20% of the keywords or customer search terms. Our objective is to identify those search terms, starting with the most influential ones. We aim to establish our product's presence not only in sponsored products section, but also organically in the customers who bought this and frequently bought together sections. We are essentially going to show up everywhere to your customer when they search your top search terms. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler, a retired optometrist who achieved financial freedom and location freedom and time freedom by building an online business to $500,000 per month and then selling it for a multi-million-dollar exit. I did this by focusing on Amazon PPC and my perpetual sales machine strategy. I've also helped other brands exceed $10 million per year in sales through my agency. Unlike many gurus, I have real experience in creating successful businesses online and specifically on Amazon. But enough about me, let me share my screen and we'll jump into how to dominate a search term.
And so this is our search term report. We've eliminated all the ones that are making less than 3 orders, and we just have the ones that are making orders. And so you can see right here, Chef Hat Kids is one of our biggest search terms that we have. And so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to head over to Amazon and I'm going to show you exactly what we want. So the first thing that we want is we want to be showing up for Chef Hat Kids at the first search volume or the first top of search sponsored spot right here. So we want to show up right here. But then secondly, what we want to do is we want to show up on all these organic ones as well, because the majority of your click share is going to everything above the fold, which is before people start scrolling, they're usually clicking on one of these and buying one of these. So this is where all your traffic is going for Chef Hat Kids. And so we not only want to show up for the top of search in a single keyword exact match campaign, but we also want to show up on all these products as well. And so that's what I'm going to show you today. And so what we use for this is we use Helium 10. So with Helium 10, I'm going to do my search and then I'm going to click Helium 10 right here. And then I'm going to go to ASIN Grabber. It will take about 1 minute or 30 seconds to pull up all the ASINs, and then you can see them all right here. And so then what we're going to do is export. We're going to export this as a CSV file. And then I'm going to come back over here to my spreadsheet. I'm going to go to File, Import. And at the end of this, I am going to show you why we do this. We're going to upload, and then we're going to grab that, pull it in. We're going to insert into a new sheet. And then what you're seeing here is you're seeing ASINs for the ones that are showing up in order. And so this is the one that shows up at top, then first, second, third organic. So now that we have our ASINs pulled up, what we're going to do is we're going to pick the ASINs that we want to target based on the click share, because the ones that are at the top here are going to get the most clicks. And we usually want to go after the top 3 at minimum, or at the top 6 if you're being a little more aggressive. And so sponsored, we want to go after the top 3. Yours might have 3, ours just has 1. And then the top 3 to 6 organically. I just worry about the top 3 because that's where the majority of the traffic is going. And so we're going to come back here and you can see that one sponsored and then 1, 2, 3 is the organic. And so we're going to target these with product targeting ads. And so we're going to do single keyword or single ASIN product targeting ads for our ASIN on those ASINs. And the reason we do that is because when somebody clicks here, because what happens is they come and they're going to click these top 3 to compare them, and you're going to show up on every single one of them. I'll show you where. So when they scroll down, you're going to show up right here. And then when they look in this one, you're going to show up right here. And the goal of this is to then get so many sales through this that we end up showing up in the buy it with, frequently bought together, or something like that. And so that's a very simple way to target a search term that you're already dominating for to then show up everywhere.
As you can see, targeting ASINs for specific search terms is a powerful approach in Amazon PPC. By understanding which ASINs to target and how to strategically place your bids, you can significantly increase your visibility and sales of your product. Now, if you want to see more of how we automate these tasks and how we automate PPC to focus on more strategic growth, visit freedomflywheel.com and learn more about our perpetual sales machine.
Hey, I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and I picked out another video just for you. So make sure you check out that other video. And what do they need to do? Do they need to like and subscribe? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.